Chef Eli here from Stratford Chef School. Today we're going to be looking at the poached egg, which is beautiful in its simplicity. Heat water to 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit and create an artificial current using a spoon. Taking your strained eggs, which have been pre-portioned into ramekins, drop one at a time into the convection or vortex current that forms in the center of this convection as you stir. Do not have this too rapid. Use in real-time speed as you see in the video. What we're trying to do is create that pocket or poosh effect, which is where we get the name of poached eggs from. The water should be acidulated. Here we're using approximately 3 liters of water to approximately 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and we have it at about 168 degrees. We have the vinegar in there to compensate for the lower temperature of the water. We want to coagulate the exterior without necessarily bouncing them around. If the water was too high of a temperature, the current would be so much that it would be too violent and it would break the eggs apart. Secondarily, the temperature would be so high that we would have irregularities in temperature cooking, so that it would be harder yolk on the exterior than it would be soft and delicate on the inside. With the poached egg, we want to have a nice, fully set exterior with a nice, smooth, runny yolk on the inside. This can only be done with patience and the addition of the acids to the environment. So what we're going to be doing is cooking for the prescribed amount of time. We're going to be looking for anywhere between 3 to 3.5 minutes. Again, we're just eating the curving of the water every so often. We want to be checking the temperature range. We're going to be in that 160 to 175 range at most. If your temperature gets too hot, we are going to have an ice bath on hand ready to cool and stop the cooking of the eggs immediately, and we can add some of the ice or ice water into our pot in order to control the temperature in the range that we want. In this way, it is much easier to cool the temperature down rapidly than trying to increase the temperature up if and when necessary. Again, just promote a constant stirring or current in the pot, not enough to break them apart, but just enough to create these nice smooth edges, which is one of the aesthetic objectives of this recipe. Although we are looking at prescribed times of approximately 3 to 3.5 minutes in this initial cook of the egg, we are going to be using a finger test as a determinant factor. There are going to be a range of factors: the amount of movement, how many eggs you've added, how much water temperature drops when you add those types of things. So we are always going to be relying on our senses as a determinant factor with such a nuanced recipe. Ideally, we're going to be taking them as far as we want, moving them, stopping the cooking process in an ice bath, and then reheating them in a gentle warm temperature as needed, or in the restaurant industry to order, so that we can have things ready in a prepped form and ready for instantaneous service. So after about the 3-minute mark, we are going to see the extraction of these very delicate. Using a slotted spoon, we're going to carefully move them into an ice water bath and keep them in this ice water bath for a long time, at least 15 to 20 minutes, ideally allowing them to get completely fridge cold before attempting to heat in a new pot of water at 160 to 180 Fahrenheit without the vinegar in it. Here I've just fried a dinner roll in a bit of clarified butter to crisp it up and get some flavor. On top of this, we'll add some shaved ham fried in the same pan. And finally, we will top with our poached egg, which we have reheated in a fresh water bath of 180 Fahrenheit for approximately 2 minutes. Be delicate, as this very easily can break. Gently nestle on top of the ham and serve with hollandaise as optional. With a properly poached egg, the yolk should remain runny enough that it serves enough of a sauce component. Bon appetit!